Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a simple slow cooker sweet and sour pot roast. This recipe is so simple and perfect any day of the week, and it's very hearty. You're going to need about 4 pounds of roast. You can get this from your local butcher, meat market, or supermarket, along with salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and ground mustard. I love using these spices. They are wonderful. This is going to create your rub. You're going to need a white onion diced. You can use a yellow onion as well too. They're a little bit sweeter. You're going to need Worcestershire sauce along with coconut oil so we can sear our meat and preserve all of the flavoring. Corn starch and some garlic diced. I like to cook with red wine, so you're going to need some red wine for this recipe, along with some water and chili sauce. I like using the chili sauce from Trader Joe's or Aldi's because there's a lot of clean ingredients in it. You can make your own chili sauce if you desire. So what we're doing here is I combined all the spices and I am going to rub it into my meats, and I'm rubbing it on all of the sides. Like I said before, this is a great dinner option to cook on any day of the week because it is a slow cooker recipe. So basically there's very little prep time and there's a little cleanup time, which is a win for me. I like to make a roast usually on Sundays, so you can also do that too as well. So here I'm warming my cast iron skillet, and that's when I'm going to add my coconut oil and melt it. I want to make sure this skillet is nice and piping hot because I'm going to add my roast to it. And I'm not going to cook the roast in my cast iron skillet. I'm just going to sear all of the 4 sides to lock in all the flavoring from the spices and all the juices from the meat. Just a reminder, make sure you head over to my blog, which is www.rakescreekfarmhouse.net for the breakdown of the whole recipe. You can also print a recipe card to keep on file so you have options to make during the week or any slow cooker or weekend Sunday meal. So once you've seared or browned all sides of your roast, you're going to go ahead and put it in your slow cooker. And inside your slow cooker, you're going to go ahead and add your diced onions in there along with your diced garlic. And you can cook this on high or low. I usually cook mine on high if I start it in the morning, and then if I start it mid-morning, I put it on high. I'm adding my chili sauce inside the pot along with that red wine. And note, that red wine is completely optional if you do not want to add it to your meal. You are also going to add your Worcestershire sauce too as well at this point. Now go ahead, after you put all of your ingredients in there, the only 2 ingredients left is your cornstarch and water. So go ahead and put your lid on, and then let's wait for it to finish cooking. Okay, our roast is done. We're going to go ahead and remove it from the slow cooker and put it on a platter so it can rest for about 15 minutes. I'm going to remove all of the thicker ingredients such as the onions and garlic that are floating to the top, and we are going to get ready to make like a gravy of sorts, sort of like an au jus, to serve along with this roast. Okay, once everything is removed from your slow cooker, you are going to put it on the highest setting your slow cooker has. So mine was actually on the low setting and it was cooking all day, but now I'm going to place it on the high setting and add my cornstarch and the water, and I'm going to stir everything up and make sure it's very well blended, and I'm going to cook it in here for about 15 minutes. The cornstarch is really going to help thicken it, and it's going to be perfect to serve with this roast. You can serve it with mashed potatoes or smashed potatoes and serve the gravy over top. A salad would be great, and a nice green vegetable would be great as well. So here I am just serving it up, and this is just a wonderful, hearty meal, very delicious. My family enjoys it. Even with me being a vegetarian, I still cook meat and I'm still proud to cook it. I do not taste any of this meat. I just do what I would like if I was making a vegetarian option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you make it. If you do, let me know in the comments that you try this. It is so simple and so easy. And if you go over to my blog, you're going to find so many great recipes that are easy, because that's what we do here. I love to create a simple homemade home by cooking meals from scratch that are simple and easy, and creating a home that's simple and minimal and just wonderful. If you want to get back to the basics of living, you want to come back and visit the farm every single week, because I promise you, you're going to want to come back and visit me here on the banks of Riggs Creek. I hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you share and comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you all real soon, and I hope you're having a fabulous day.